Hello everyone, this is Abid from Metabase. In this video, I will show you how to create a bar chart from your data. For this example, I will be using the product table that you can find it in our sample database. We're going to create a bar chart showing the number of products in each category. Let's start by selecting the Summarize button. You will notice two main options, Summarize By and Group By. The Summarize By option is set to count of rows by default, which is perfect for counting our records. So let's keep it as it is. And for the Group By, we will choose Category. Metabase will automatically generate a bar chart for us. Now, if you hover over the bars, for example, the widget, you will see we have 54 products in this category, and for example, Gizmo has 51. Next, let's sort the bars to make it easier to compare the counts. Click on the table icon below, and then for the count heading, select Sort by Descending. And let's go back to the visualization. You can see now the categories are now sorted, allowing us to more easily compare the counts. For example, we can see there is slightly more widgets than Gizmos. Now let's customize our chart for better readability. Press on Settings, the gear icon below. First, under the Data tab, we can change the color of the bars. So for example, let's change it to green. Next, switch to the Display tab. Here you can add a goal line, for example, if you want to show a target. And you can also show the value on the data points, so you can see the exact number right on the chart. Finally, to customize the axis, go to the Axis tab. Let's change, for example, the Y-axis label. Here, under the Y-axis label, we will change it from count to number of products. Now, these changes enhance the chart's readability and comprehension. Amazing! Now let's move on to create a stacked bar chart. For this example, we will use a different table from our sample database since we need to analyze two groups to create a stacked bar chart. Here we have the order table. Let's analyze how many products we have sold in each category for the past 4 quarters. First, we need to filter our data. We press on Filter. And for the created at, we will choose the last 12 months, which refer to the date the order was placed. Let's apply the filter. Now again, we need to press on Summarize. Under Summarize By, let's keep it count as before. And for the group, let's choose the category. And for the created at, we will choose it by quarter. Done. Although Metabase defaults to a line chart with these settings, we will switch it to a bar chart. Just press on the visualization and select a bar chart. Great! Now currently the bar chart shows the first 2 quarters from 2024. To focus on 2023, let's change the filter. We press here and under the past tab, select year, set it to 1 year, and you can check the data from the 1st January until the end of the year. Let's press update filter. Now all the quarters of 2023 are visible. To better compare the number of products in each category over time, let's use a stack bar chart. This way we can see the total count as well the breakdown by category. To create a stack bar chart, you can press on this setting or down here, this gear button. Under the Display tab, you will find a new option now for stacking. Stack or stack 100%. For this example, we will use the stack. Additionally, I will show the value on the data points so we can see the exact numbers within each bar. And to make the categories easier to distinguish and to improve the readability of our chart, let's go to the Data tab. Here we can change the color of each category or rearrange them by dragging. For example, I will drag doohickey to the button, or I can change the color to make it stand out. You have the full flexibility to do that. And if you want to change the grouping on the x-axis for different analysis, simply drag the product category above the creation time. This will group the chart by category instead of quarters. And there you have it. With Metabase, customizing your charts is straightforward and flexible. Try it yourself and see how it's easy to create and customize your own charts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.